Okay, so this is my Sinnis Stealth, shiny and black, gold forks. Took off the Sinnis stickers, but you're left with that mark there which is indented into the tank. So if you do take off the stickers you'll be left with that, but it ain't too bad, it's not really noticeable. Blanked off the EGR valve which makes it go a bit nicer. You have to just block this pipe there, and then you have to blank off this pipe there. Okay, for the exhaust, kind of hear it blowing a bit there, which sounds a bit better than the stock, but right in between this bit you see there's a little thin pipe in there. In between there you can bang a hole, which gives it that bit of a better noise to it. And if you need to block it up, just screw a bolt into it, which I've got here somewhere, which is that. So it's a nice easy little thing to do to get better sound. So basically you can just get a hammer and screwdriver, bang a hole in between the exhaust there, and if you want to put it back to normal, just bolt that in and it'll make it go totally back to normal because you're covering up the hole. Okay, so a little sound test for you. Okay, so I'll pause it there and I'll put the bolt in, and then you can hear what it sounds like with that in.